We are at the second job of the day, and she's got nice piles of all of her wood here. Looks like these trees got uprooted here. One, whatever this pile is, two, that got uprooted, yep. Another one here, and that pile over there. She just needs to have these piles put out to the edge of the road, and then the city, county, town, or whatever will pick them up. So it's going to be heavy lifting and dragging stuff to the edge of the road while the skid steer over here does the bulk of the work. Time to get the chest harness on. This is the typical little old lady that lives in her house, and we're just helping her out after the hurricane. Well, I'm not going to stand around doing nothing, so what the heck.
You're not the type.
That'll be a roller. Oh yeah. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Run over some of these red anthills too.
Yeah.
Hey, run over some of those red anthills. Nope. I was tempted.
Yeah.
I got it.
Just had to get that last.
I did, yeah. My OCD kicked in. Most of the work's going to be skid steer work. However, someone just pointed out that there's another tree down back here that is pretty heavily uprooted. I'm going to see if these people are home and volunteer to cut that up for them if they'd like. But I don't think anyone's home. All right, well, if a car shows up, we'll ask. They're not home. Nobody's home. I really don't like standing around doing nothing. It's okay to take couple of minute breaks when you're doing heavy work, but I don't want to watch a skid steer all day. I don't know what it is, but I have an uncanny amount of energy this afternoon. I'm just gonna spend it all. We only got a couple of hours left. Can you get that? Can you roll it? Yeah, there you go.
At least get it where he can.
Yeah, exactly. Ooh, that's a good one. This here. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm good. My right shoulder's getting sore. I'm gonna switch to the left. He just came in this way with the steer skid. The yards are already torn up here anyway, so, and that's all torn up underneath, so he pick this up and then we can start on this way because the logs are facing towards the road, the ends are. Yep, that was the best one so far. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got the big one that time. Probably took us about 45 minutes to an hour to get that done. But that was the largest pile on the property. It's the last of the big logs here. Well, I think you should level it out for sure.
Oh, yeah,
I think that's what he's gonna do.
Yeah, level it out.
I don't know. Leaves might help with this decomposition for soil too, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I've done before.
The mulching, yeah.
Yeah. It's like a little bit of a ground.
Yeah. Let's see what he does. Looks like we got a big stump to cut over there. I got to get the big saw out. I'm not going to switch to helmet cam here because I don't want to. See what kind of footage we get. Actually, this will be a good opportunity for me to see the angle I can get on my camera while I'm cutting this thing up. Sharpen that after this, but we'll get through this one. Yep, that chain's dull. Looks like I need to sharpen it again. I'll take that. Well, hold on. You don't want to push it with the chain on it.
Hold on a second.
Hold on. Watch yourself. Watch yourself here. Yeah. There we go. Woo! I'd bring your bucket down, man. Holy cow.
Watch your fingers.
Go slow. While he's trying to get that out, I'm just going to roll this up there. Why not, right? Two leg power. Come on, come on, you got it, you got it. There you go.
Gravity, take over.
I got it. That's good. All right. Thank you, my friend. All right. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. You got a little bit of a hole back here. Come this way. Hey! He's coming close to you. I got a fresh pair of underwear in there for you. I got that on camera. That's it. Woo!
And pick up all the big stuff, the bigger stuff that this can't handle. Okay. He didn't say he needs to use your bathroom for a second.
I just knew he was going to go in the hole.
So the bad news is we have no dirt to fill in the holes. I'm sorry about that, but there's nothing I can do about that.
Well, you've already worked miracles.
Huh?
You've already worked miracles
Well,
for me.
yeah, well, but I'll have a guy come tomorrow, and then he'll try and smooth out as much as he can. But you're gonna probably have to need that dirt. We'll see.
No, we did excellent. Just tip that one back over or take it out, whatever.
The problem is that all that dirt is sticking inside.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
You can't get it out.
Yeah.
Well, the good sign is you got quarry ponds already dug.
Yeah.
So we'll take care of the rest.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
You're blessed.
Oh, no, you're the blessing. We just like to come help. God's children. We're all God's children, right?
We are.
And even though we live in Virginia, you're our neighbor, right?
Right.
That's right.
Okay.
And we're supposed to love the Lord with all our heart, all our soul, and all our mind. And who else? Our neighbor as ourselves. We are our neighbor.
I'm so glad you people came down.
Well, God of love.
That's right.
These places are just such a blessing.
Well, it's a blessing for us to do it for you. That might not sound right, but it is truly a blessing for us to do it for you.
Well, I know that there is some satisfaction when you know you have helped somebody.
Yeah.
That's right.
You can get a blessing from it too.
That's
A lot
true.
of hard work, but still, you do.
That's true. That's true.
Because normally we don't work this hard. In our real lives, we don't work this hard.
I would hope not. You'd have to retire real early because you couldn't keep on like this.
That's true.
Well, so we got our dinner starts at 6, and we're supposed to be back by 5, so we probably need to get going. And I'll make sure that we take care of the rest. Okay.
It was very nice.
Can I give you a nice big hug?
Yes, Team A
I hope you
minus.
feel a little better.
Oh, I do.
Team A minus will come in.
Yeah.
Or A plus.
You're fantastic.
All right. Hey, you take care, okay?
Thank you
You're
so much.
you're welcome, man. Anytime, anytime. I'm glad we could help.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, and so nice.
It's blessing.
Have a blessed day.
And I hope you can get a little rest tonight. Eat a lot, get a little rest.
We have another day tomorrow, so the bodies were meant to work, right? So.
Well, I'll get out.
If any of you are wondering why I'm doing this, that sweet little old lady that you just saw and heard is the reason why we're doing this. To help those people out in Western North Carolina. Frickin' awesome. All right, anywho, there's one pile there. We got about 3/4 of the way done here. These stumps are huge, and the Bobcat was just short of being able to finish this up. There's a guy at the center that has a slightly larger Bobcat than this, and he's going to be able to take this out and put it at the edge of the road, that one there, and probably tip that one back over or even get it out of here. And then we're gonna smooth the lawn the best we can. But yeah, we're at the end of our day here, and this was a success. That huge pile that was over there, that's gone. You can see that. And we're towards the end of the day anyway, so we gotta wrap up and get back to dinner and back to the church by, I think, 5 o'clock, so it's getting close. We're probably half an hour away, something like that. Anywho, we're gonna wrap this one up. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was mostly cleanup work and skid steer work with a little bit of chainsaw work, and it was just another fabulous job to take care of. So back at it tomorrow, one more day, and we'll wrap this one up. And if you like this video, leave a comment down below and I'll get to it when I can. And we'll see you at the next video. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace out.